Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to transfer the money via my gpay and it shows your money has not been debited. Recipient's bank server is busy. Retry with a different payment method. But this message is again and again occurring while I try to transfer the money to that particular bank account. So how to fix this issue? So my point of view, this is not a error and there is no solution is not available to fix this kind of message. Then why this message happening? So for example, if you transfer the money from SBI to Axis Bank, this recipient's bank and the Axis Bank server is busy. And this is occurs, more number of people are accessing the same Axis Bank server. And most of the time, this is occurs in between evening 5 pm to night 8 pm. So once you get this message, don't try to make a repeat payment for that particular person and this is waste of time. At same time, if this payment is very urgent to you, just install this PhonePe UPI application and which is one of the best UPI app in India like gpay and Paytm. So once you install it, just click to open it and then complete your bank account link process as well as mobile number verification processes. So once you complete this step, if you want to transfer the money from this PhonePe to bank account, just press this option to bank or UPI and then press add beneficiary account and it asks for the beneficiary bank account. So just pick your bank account and they ask for the bank account number as well as IFSC code details. So you can fill this category and finally click to confirm and also enter the amount to transfer it and finally you can click to send. But friends, now this time you can see my payment is successfully transferred. At same time, this PhonePe does not show that server busy issue. So I hope all of you like this PhonePe. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns and thanks for watching.